Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my own bacon grease. I know this sounds pretty self-explanatory, but I get this question a lot. So I'm using Peterson's bacon. I'll link it in the description for you guys. I'm using my new Cuisinart air fryer. I'll also link that. I cut the bacon in half just so it fits in the rack a little bit better. And then I just lay it in there. They can be touching, they just don't need to be too overlapping. Everything I'm doing you can replicate using a skillet, but today I'm going to use the air fryer. I put the setting to air fryer 400 degrees and I leave it in there for about 9 minutes. That seemed to do pretty well and get it pretty crispy. We really love crispy bacon. After the bacon is done, now we can get the grease out. Just be very careful. Obviously it's hot. You don't want to burn yourself. A grease burn is no bueno. Nobody needs that. So be very careful when you do this. I just take the rack out and then I've got this container. I got it off Amazon. I'll link it below. And I'm just going to slowly and very carefully pour the grease into this container. Alright y'all, that's it. That's how we make our bacon grease, and we store it in this container right here. We have several, but this is the cutest one, and it just sits out by our stove. We do not refrigerate it, no need to do that. Bacon grease stays good for a very long time. If it goes bad, you will be able to tell because it'll start smelling rancid. So just go by the sniff test. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Love you, mean it. Bye.